back to my video, and in today's video you are going to see me creating this beautiful classic festive wedding kind of makeup look. So if you really want to see me creating such beautiful look, then keep on watching. So I have prepped my skin. I have applied a moisturizer, sunscreen and everything. So let's start with the primer. I'm using this primer. This is ELF Pore primer. I'll take one pump of it. Then because of Navratri, many of us are having sleepless nights, and that is why dark circles. And for dark circles, I'm going to use this corrector. This is Maybelline Camo Concealer in peach. So I have applied the corrector everywhere where I have dark spots and darkness. And I'll blend it with my fingers only. As you guys can see, the corrector should correct and your under eyes should not look extreme orange or extreme peach, because then you will have to use more concealer to hide that orange color under your eyes. So now as you guys can see, I have blended my corrector and under eyes doesn't look that dark now. So now I'll use foundation, and I'm using this foundation. This is my favorite, one of the favorite foundations. It's oil controlling as well as hydrating. So it's really good for oily skin people. It's really good for dry skin people. I have extremely dry skin right now because of the season change. If I wouldn't be having this much of the dark circles, I don't use concealer. I use this uh, foundation only as my concealer as well. Then on my under eyes, I will use this concealer. This is PAC Spotlight Concealer. I really love this concealer. It's full coverage and it cancels out all the darkness. Use this concealer brush to stipple it out. As you guys can see the difference. Now I'll take this sponge and just dab it on my face. So that whatever the excess foundation concealer would be there will be absorbed. and make sure you keep it wet. You guys can see the difference. So this much amount of the concealer or foundation was excess on my face, and that excess foundation, excess concealer can make you look cakey. Now I'll use this Australis Ready Set Go finishing powder on my under eyes only. And I'll take this kind of tiny fluffy brush so that under eyes will be set, but powder won't make your under eye creased or cakey or any such things. Now for blush, I'll be using this Colorbar Metalicious blush in Flushed Satin. It looks something like this. And because I don't want that much of the blush, I'll focus on the temple part, contour part. So I'll have the color, but I will not have that saturation on my cheeks that it looks obvious. And it will contour my face as well. You see how beautiful contoured my face looks? Now I'll set my face first. And for that I'm using NYX Dewy Setting Mist. Yes, I like to spray it very generously, and I'll just tipple the brush a little. And then I'll take this highlighter. It's K Beauty Illuminating Highlighter in Champagne Fizz, and it looks something like this. Do you see the highlight? Do you see the dew and glow it gives? And it's not that shimmery as well. Now for eyes, I'll be using this e.l.f. brow pencil. I really need to get my eyebrows done. And to set those eyebrows, I'll use this Wet n Wild Skinny Mascara. Now for eyeshadow, I'll be using this. This is All I Need eyeshadow palette. I have been using this lately quite a lot because, as you guys can see, this has really beautiful shades and very stunning pigmentation. Doesn't fly away, doesn't budge, and it's quite pigmented and quite creamy. So I really like that. So what I'll do is I'll take this nude shade from it and use it on my crease. You see how beautiful it deepened the crease. When you want such minimal look now, you should do such brown or pinkish shade on your crease and glitter on your lids, glitter or shimmer. Just to deepen it up a little, I'll use this shade, Blow a Kiss. Just slightly below. Now I'll take this Bonfire shade on my finger and apply it on the lid. How beautiful. And I'll take this tiny miny brush and I'll take this shade highlight on it. Then with the same brush, I'll take this shade called Blow a Kiss on same tiny miny pencil brush, just a little, and I'll apply it on the bottom lash line, just to define the eyes. Yeah. Then I'll leave my upper line just as it is and I'll use this Calabar Eye Glide eye pencil on the lower lash line. I'll use this on lower waterline. Just to give that pop of color on my eyes, I use that liner on the lower waterline. So now I'll use this mascara. This is a Charlotte Tilbury Volume 2 mascara. And the good news is that this mascara might be launching on Nykaa pretty soon around Diwali time. So wait and watch. And now comes the darling main part, and that is lipstick. As you guys can see, I'm wearing uh, this beautiful red patola sari. So with that, I thought of uh, doing red lipstick, and I have gone quite simple on my eyes. So this is the red lipstick. This is My Glam's Lit collection with Anam Chashmawala, and this is the shade Boss Babe 1. Finally, I'll finish this look with beautiful bindi. So yeah, this is my final look. Hope you like this classic Indian beautiful makeup look. If you like such videos to see on my channel, then let me know in the comment section. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. It means the world to me. So yeah, see you in my next one. Bye.